Real quick, I want to talk about a feature of the RF muzzle device that we think is pretty cool, kind of useful, and that is that these use a standardized muzzle device flats, just like what you would find on an A2 bird cage. And what's nice about that is you can have any tool that is your standard A2 muzzle wrench. It can be a cheapo like this one, super easy to use, and you can not only install it, but also if you are out at the range or in the field, you try to take your suppressor off, for whatever reason it comes loose, you can still get it off with a standard armor's wrench, even a cheapo like this. Same philosophy applies to the Revival Defense Atlas R with its castle nut wrench notches, so that way not only can you install this correctly with the correct torque specs, but also you can install it and disassemble it using a standard tool. We sell a lot of great tools here at Forward Controls, but sometimes all people have is just a basic armorer's wrench, and so we try to maintain that tool compatibility as much as possible. And the same goes for our other muzzle devices, like our Chemo series, just takes a standard A2 muzzle device wrench.